So finally, Judy also don't come and say, waiting Obasi don't talk about her. And so they go court, and so they go the other one. Okay, I don't see her, so more listen to Mr. Obasi before we listen to Judy Austin. God bless you. Like and share this video. Bye.
Former husband to Judy Austin.
Former husband.
Uche is the real name. And Judy Austin come at last. I know her as Judith Uche
Judith. Thank God. See, I don't look for this video since.
Adeze Chukwuobase and Chidera Chukwuobase.
Now the year.
Sometimes I ask myself, waiting man do man.
Are you waiting man do man?
Mr. Obasi, sorry.
Don't they cry for woman where don't live for how many years? I'm in love, oh. I'm in love, oh. This man still love Judy Austin.
Mr. Obasi.
Judy Austin.
I'm Mr. Obasi. Emmanuel. This thing we are holding here
is our wedding picture. I'm not giving for.
This is the day of our traditional marriage.
Move on. Hey, Judy Austin, your own is waiting for you. Let's go.
This is her and all her.
Actually, big girls.
Yes. They are 18 in numbers. I'm the one that pay for all his things. What?
He pay for all of them. Yeah.
Anytime you are watching television and you will appear,
Now the year.
Judy Austin will no longer be concentrated.
Okay. Hey. So that means Judy Austin don't they love you let Doshe before he even enter marriage. People. Not be small, not be more small person not go here for this social media, my people. Mr. Obasi now don't they tell us say now the time when you and Judy day when they see that they never separate. Now Judy started they love Yolu. She was loving Joel even without seeing Joel opportunity. Now, I love
this man. The way she they tell you to your face. Yes, now.
Not that the year matter.
She will not be saying it in that direction. She will be praising him or the way he act, and after she will tell me that the voice looks like the voice like her uncle Chinedu. So that is why she loved her. The voice alone sounds like her uncle's voice. Uncle Chinedu. Yes, Uncle Chinedu. Did you know any Uncle Chinedu? Yes, that is one of uncle that is Uncle Chinedu.
Now they
have 4 evidence to say that they are dating.
Now they
understand? They are dating under my roof.
Una de yara. Una ya Mr. Obasi. Oyamo listen to Judy Austin. So you know say don't take away be say since we now know that time me I was against Joel. I was support of male. When I go check my video that time on Facebook, you will know that how Mama Didi give Jolu. So a Jolu guy's name was Small Banana then. Now the name where I give a guy's name. So it was Small Banana then. Because now man will not know himself. Now I go leave his wife where they lost their first child. The time he supposed they bond with that woman, he didn't bond with that woman. It's so bad, you understand? So this whole matter, well, the years so I don't for talk about these things long time ago. If you go and scroll my videos, you will see how I match Judy Austin the Akuna Matata. Now the name where I give her that time. Juju Austin the Akuna Kuna. So let's listen to what Judy Austin tell us, my people. Like and share the video. You can support me by gift. You can give me super chat. Facebook now stars. Abi can give me stars on my Facebook and my TikTok. You can give me gift. Okay. Like and share this video. Okay. Okay. Now I don't know where the video did now. Okay. Do you know I don't look for this video tire? I not see her since. Can you imagine? Excuse me. This is very bad. So. Judy wevo we here the aqualo there na Judy wevo get even na More listen to what Judy talk, oh, okay? Like and share the video.
Not once has he ever brought out any evidence of taking care of these kids. Not once has he ever brought out.
So before we go play Judy home, Judy they let us know say Mr. Obasi, where can they cry crocodile cry? Me and not that. Mr. Obasi, why are you crying? Because this time me I will not join you. Mr. Obasi, why are you crying now? Say you look carry and as they take off your responsibility. All these are the useless men we see on this set. They are spent donor. They donate their spend everywhere. And they don't take care of their responsibility. It's so annoying. How can you be a father? You don't know how your child eats. You don't know the school your children go. You don't know if they have homework. You've never been in parents and parents meeting. You have been absent. You've never been in their birthday one day. Now you are crying that a man like you is taking your responsibility. You're supposed to give Joel a accolade. Yeah, you're supposed to give, not cry like a goat. I know they like men like this. God, no, you know me. Men that don't take their responsibility, men that don't take care of their children. You guys are... Let's listen to Judy Hosty. God bless you.
It hurts. Not once has he ever brought out any evidence of taking care of these kids. Not once has he ever brought out any evidence of coming to court for custody. Not once. But he has a lot to say about me. All the campaign has been about me. The people that paid him when they are having their event, he goes to that event. It is very glaring for anybody that cares to listen or cares to see. Please, I am warning all you bloggers. Stop insulting Yul Edochie. He has done nothing, absolutely nothing to deserve the insult.
Hold on, shut up. Good morning. You can't tell anybody not to insult Jolu. But me, I'm not there, Mr. Obasi side. Now you'll say me and day today. Not be this your talk go make me say I want. Shut up, don't say that. Are you mad?
If anything, he has helped me take care of the kids that are not his biological kids. When the man that gave birth to them abandoned them. He has helped me to be a father figure in their lives. Put a roof over their heads. Pay their school fees. Feed them. If anything, you people should praise him for being a kind and an awesome man.
Really?
Not insult and destroy his name for what he didn't do. I met him 3 years after my marriage ended. And that is not a crime.
He's saying me yolu the small banana. Mr. Obasi, I want you to debunk this. So, how true is it? Is it 3 years after both of you separated that Judy Hosty now find Yolu? Don't lie, oh. My papa Ogun go buy you. If you lie, my papa Isango go buy you. If you lie, my papa Omila go buy you. Don't lie, you. You see this whole thing now, we want to clear the floor and clear the table. No lie, no. But when I tell Mr. Obasi, you need to debunk this place. How true is it? Is it after una separate or you? She still there under you now? She go to Duduvaga. I want to know.
If we continue to allow deadbeats to come out and lie and destroy someone that should be praised, what will be the fate of all the single mothers out there that are praying for God to send somebody their way to help them? If a single mother today is looking for somebody to assist her in taking care of her kids, and the person actually does that, and then the people are now against this man, do you think other people would love to help? Do you think other men would love to have anything to do with single mothers? How can a deadbeat come out and lie and people will not think? Go to his page and see how he contradicts himself. At first it was I'm still his wife. Now I'm no longer his wife, but I'm holding the children hostage. How? Any sensible person would have asked, have you gone to court? Is social media the court of law? He doesn't want to go to court because he doesn't want to pay. He doesn't want to foot the responsibilities.
Yeah, sir.
Being a father.
You know they pay.
Stop insulting you, little chin. Stop calling him. Stop destroying his name for being good. Instead, you thank him for assisting me in taking care of his kids. That's the only crime he ever committed.
Rihanna.
As for Emmanuel Chukwuobase, we will meet where we're supposed to meet.
Rihanna.
And the law will grant justice to who deserves it.
Rihanna.
Thank you.
Now so. Now Yara. Una hear the matter. Wait, zoom. Zoom. My favorite quarter. When they rogima. That's why they talk and rich. Percy matter not be my own. When they rogoma. Una the year matter. Una not say in the year 1968. I talk about this matter. The time Yolo lost his first son. Where you're supposed to the more with a wife, May. Yolo, Judy Ossie the Akuna. Can carry Yolo go 180 daughter. The native daughter cut say na May. Na by picking. Now we don't know they remind you now. Say na May na by picking. Because that make it not buy Jolo. Say me Jolo run for me. So they take scatter. Now, Mr. Basidon, he sure sees them, Mr. Basidon, they draw Judy Hosty. Now, Judy Hosty can't get courage to come out. The only thing where me I see for waiting you told Judy Hosty. Now, only the one where you say the man not they take responsibility. But in a way, I not say law, not the Nigeria. As if he say you and another, he has to pay child support. He has to take care of the children. That is how it's supposed to be. Because right now it's more than 3 years that I don't know how Nigeria is, how you guys can come back and take into court. You understand? So me, I don't know why you want to take and go court, me, they pay child support now. Nigeria will not get law. They not get law. Even though say they bomb battalion, they are not a factory contribution, but the law cannot do anything, and that's why I don't like that country. That country can never be my country. You understand? So this whole matter, the only thing I see there is that the man is not taking responsibility. And waiting that they call him Oga Pata Judy Hess. Mr. Obasi. Mr. Obasi say Judy Hosty day has where Judy Hosty they get. Oh no get what? My sip, my drinky. My use this one step down small. TikTok go say no drink. Red wine too sweet. So as we were saying, how do you mean you beggar? I know say all my enemy they cry now. Yeah, I'm gonna call you are over there gele. So as we were saying, as I said, the only place I pick now the one where be say Jolo not they take care of his responsibility. Now no me mama didi. If he be mine, you know they take care of responsibility. Kia when he bole they be circumcised we see. No as a be circumcised yeah. And so they say why vibe na. Big boy any vani down now that two thing with there. O tiara small. You we call miola javene miola jane. Why yes is osi we na. Why yes is osi we na can straight to wa. All this men that know how to be a donut. That you guys know how to donate Spain. Mama did you here castrate to wire? I go castrate all of you now. It's very bad of you men. I know say some of you now see they do now where they look me right now. Go say Vonata nine. I beg you. As if he said the woman don't want me again. Make I just do what I want to do. I no go help her. She go do the name. If the children go hear you. So now they hear someone they go say, if the children go look for me. this era generation will be say children no you way mama way or way even fion when it not go look for you. Many of my clients that they cry as they do for their children reach. No, they don't they hold, they don't they not see home. Their children not they look for them. Say, my father, my children, where I take care of. When I suffer carry for my belly namus, I can't born out with my pickles. I can't breastfeed down for 2 years. Excuse me, like me now, my children are 2 years at a suck. Now let my lag with the quick cut breast for you know every reach 1 year. They will take care of me because see what I'll give you. My children will take care of me. Nothing will make it not take care of me. When I say every bow give me, I know can give me. If you a bow give me, so shall it be in the mighty name of Jesus. You go see some more that's why be say they don't suffer. You not go see the children. Mr. Obasi, what is your problem? What is the color of your problem, Mr. Obasi? You come they cry. Are you still having the feelings? The feelings is deep. Why be say some of una if una no day we pass again? If una see the thing go see the pain una not understand. Like, are you still loving? Me, I the quit too. I don't know about you. And if you ever wear what can no can even know how say. Me, I the quit. And I know the tone if I don't. Mr. Bassi, what is the color of your problem? Thank God now, Judy don't come out. Judy don't tell us. The only word we don't talk now be say, you know they take care of your children. Wade, avec be anegba orivi yan, avec be adan, useless men that don't know what they're supposed to do. You think putting all the responsibility in that woman, you think it's gonna buy her? Maybe no we may. We were seeing anime forever. We have one mere. Oh man, here time away. Go and ask. Go. You. If you don't see my children, you go know what they talk about. I use all my life, everything, to do. Make sure that even though say me, I don't get. Sometimes that time, day, I dey manage. Get how my children go out, say I go say, even I must go Kyokyoran. That's mother for you. That's mother for you. All the old suffer, why I suffer. My children, they see them. You have a tie. I understand. So it's good. The children where they suffer follow, they go see them. They go to say, okay, my mother. This is what my mother wants. But you see, all this may we be say una no they take care of una responsibility. Una they want make another person can't do it for una for free. Now God now go punish you now. Now God now go una don't be spared donor everywhere. The other one say nothing they happen. Even though say no patient support. Nothing they happen as they break one of your leg. Now yeah I dare they hear everything. As they break one of your leg. Iya bon we. Mama Didi, o get it be one. Ina gege, I wish not be short here. I for sure now I take open my leg down. I know one mama can't see my body for social media. You understand? Ana wanya popo yoto. Una we be spare donor. You say boy day. Mona they carry the go court. You see that year when you start to carry the go court, they can't follow them. Igo ni no keke no pay ni, o mana pay all ru akausa. For abroad here, if you not pay, you want go, you they go vacation. Here no we go na mi go no yare vacation. We no ma pay child support na big alerts, na big mess. Some of them go say it no matter. It no matter. But when I go down the meeting, they'll come, they beg you. Forgive me, oh. They say make I beg you, may you forgive me. I beg. Anywhere I offend you. Forgive me, oh. They say make you forgive me. Who are waiting for area where I forgive one? But I forgive one. Una we be men where they lie to the suffer woman. Una say na suffer. Oh, give way like me. Oh, you be man. They look me. You know if you suffer me. Why you suffer me? You are wasting your time. You know why? I don't strong for a long time. Right from Nigeria now is strong. If you do go and ask about me, right from Nigeria, I dey carry my cross. I see Richard brother, they carry my cross. You know, girl go day for this Canada. Say, Mama did the dog cry when they meet you. Say, I don't get food. You know, them of your name. It's just a lot, but I'll buy one in a vertical woman. Ah, where you kai? Etika. African food is bon. E freezer ba. Nok ba e de freezer ne yavon. Ye igualo. E va ya ni igualo ruwe. Ogu a kome ba ya mogo la di. Nene mige or ha soup or home yamun. Any soup, goosey soup, na stew anything. E jaro. I don't know. I go big. Na gwe mama didi na le. Why? You una way they do this thing. You'll see some women. For them, they don't know how to drive. Una their husband go drive, they follow everywhere. Yamaya way license in here. Mama didi, I not drive for Nigeria. Now they see me, they drive everywhere. I not drive for Nigeria. I not learn driving for Nigeria. Canada, yeah. I be like picky where they're born, yeah. I do my G1. I wait for 8 months before I go do my G2. Before that 8 months, I don't buy cars. I just get my G1. I don't buy car. You know, I bomb me motor. Then me G2 ban. Obi me wo na na ga no way. Me bon. He was born one. Now that one I thank God for my life. I've never put by the police or whatever. Because I did drive according to the speed of the road. You understand? Go and do something. Go learn out hair where they do something. Man, learn it to now. I can sew clothes. I can do hair. You notice when I did do? Then you will see some women work here or away. Anywhere my husband push me, go I go. Now those kind of women they suffer for a word. If the man they maltreat you, not go feel come out. As you want to come out, a problem. You can't come out because you don't know what you want to do. You don't know where to start from. Maybe now you are the man not again. You cannot maybe you not person where they lazy. You cannot walk from here to go and do grocery. That time I never drive. People will know me that time. Me I can't ya if not if not that way my children small they say stroller what they stroller me. Ya what they live in ya they let to stroller view ya adiowa. Let me come on. Yes, I don't want to do that thing. That's why these days I don't bother myself too much. The little I will just order. If I just see the way my body be why I love you. You have me even nobody in here disturb me. Nobody should come and disturb me. I want to sleep. I understand because this body don't hear me well. I need to relax. My fellow women watching me, please stop relying on men. Not be say man not give you no go fit, you no go work, you don't know how to drive, you don't know how to make hair, you cannot sew. Learn something. You see clothes where they sew today. I get my store before I come off from Nigeria. I have people working under me before I come off from Nigeria. I dey sew cloth. I'm a tailor. I not learn tailor. You know what I learn? How to cut clothes now I go learn for 1 year. How to cut clothes now I go learn. I not learn how to pender. I not learn how to sew. My sister, my pa, the one with my father senior, our daughter, she might be watching. She's the tailor. I mean now I dey like her momo way. That's why I go born way. So she born momo. So if I close for school, I go at store. I go carry momo. I help and carry momo. Then from there I go the pender. From there I go the pender. And so I call the pender. I can't go open my store. I can't go learn how to cut clothes. Now how to cut clothes now I learn. I didn't learn tailor. Today now give me cloth to sew. Give me cloth to cut. I can see do it. Hair, what they do? There's no type of hair. When I enter this Canada, I like Canada now hair they do. I don't know if my card, my complimentary card. And they put my this thing for Kijiji. People call me for many places. I go do hair. They do hair. You understand? So I stopped doing hair when I gave birth to my last baby. I was 10 years ago. Now I stopped to do hair. But call me to do hair today. I can still do it. Now me they do my daughter hair. Since when they born my daughter, person never should come for her hair. Now me. There's no style of hair where I not sabi do. Now Ghana weaving, now pick and drop, braiding, weaving. Which one you want to? Why not sabi? I did not learn it. Say, Mama, did you tell let the hair? Ima learn hair. That time my sister go do my one, go do you. My sister that one go open salon. It not goes, not that any agreement. People were working on that. You don't know how to do it. Go and buy teddy bear. You get one way I buy now. I give my daughter. Say me she go the learn how to do it because money when me take they do my hair. I'm not sure say I go fish. She need to do it so that somebody can be. Now the only girl I get for her, she need to learn how to be doing hair. No, she don't. They try. She dey twist because hair where she get now it dey very long. She dey twist now. Learn now. Not the way for man. Everything you want buy Maggi man, you want buy salt man, you want buy this man, you want go party, the gold farmer will go drive you go there. You cannot drive yourself. They imagine I drive you. Me awala multi many ne wa gbonjo wa. If man see say you no be like you are not you know they rely on not be not. Now you go know. I can't rule luwe. Because they run follow one man like tomorrow no day. I don't understand. Eh? The time when the man they do it, why you don't do your own? Whether you are born way. I understand. Now so it day for this life. Now so it day. I remember that year when I do my citizen. Where the year say Mama Didi is now a Canadian citizen. Some people, some women, they want to go do their own. They reach there, they drive, they go back. See, when you dey country, do what the country talk. No, they do pass yourself. Hey, you know, say, if you get charges, if you get criminal charges, you cannot be a citizen of this country. Now be Canada law. If you be criminal, you can never be a citizen of this country. If you don't do any yeti for this country, you cannot be a citizen. You understand? But you will see some people, they never be citizen. See Judy Ossie and Yole Doshi, Yole no was so the small banana. That very stupid goat. Eh, Pishoga yam yame. Wa me ya mo banana mama titi. Wa me ya mo bai. Understand? It's not good. To be frank and sincere, Emma, men, women, get up. Walk back bevove. Face this side, good. Face this side, man, take the picture. I just hope say go facing it. I suppose put answers. Not be only Judy Austin and I know say now they are two the matter cash. You understand? I put the picture there. Oh, Mama did where they why they post a video about you know they give me this thing to do you know give me. This thing will come they stay up here. I don't know why this thing is here. Why is it here? Post video. I don't want to post any video. Oh Jesus. I need to just not let me to. Can you imagine? You come up for there. You not let me to. I just need to off the phone. I don't know what is wrong. Let me just off the phone.